Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, y'all know the drill. My girlfriend just got off a night shift at the hospital. God bless her soul for doing that work, man, kind of. It also means that I'm probably gonna contract what they're dealing with down there, but don't matter. Throw me in the car so we don't wake her up. And also, real quick, man, appreciate you guys so much for all the support on the videos. This one's a big one. You can probably tell by my smile. This is like, I feel like a kid on like New Year's Eve right now when they get a little DRU on K for the first time, you know what I mean? Like, it's that sort of excitement for what we're about to unbox, man. I'm so stoked. Anyway, appreciate you guys so much. You're rocking it. One more thing I do want to say, talk to some people through YouTube and stuff, and it does look like that I'm probably SHOD Shadow BAND right now, based on some like previous videos I've done way in the past, which doesn't make any sense. Oh, it was allowed then, now it's not allowed, and you're gonna get F for it. You guys just want to help out with that? That'd be dope. You know, it would go a long way because we're gonna be in a pickle for the next couple weeks for sure. Alright man, let's get on to the meat of the video. Box right here that I've been looking at, well I guess it's like a day now, it came in yesterday. But I've been waiting for it for, well I've been waiting for the package for a month, but I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. A big goal of mine forever is obviously to get a Rolex, you know what I mean? Like, who doesn't want a Rolex? And I feel like if you can afford to get a Rolex, although it's kind of sad because I bought the cheapest one. Oh, how do I make this sound cooler? Stop, okay. So anyway, I bought the most expensive Rolex, no, I'm just kidding. I feel like it's a goal for everyone. It's like a success milestone, which is bad. I don't think things should be a thing like that, but it's been on my little chart buy a Rolex forever. So somebody hit me up. God bless you, man. I keep saying that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not too religious. I probably shouldn't say that either. It's like politics. I don't bring up politics in videos. I probably shouldn't bring up that. Okay. Anyway, boobies bless him, man. God bless babies. I believe in babies more. Just stop. Subscriber hit me up on email, I guess about a month ago, and he's like, yo man, I've got a Rolex that you might dig. What in the hell is that? How did that happen? Oh, I got a little DRU on K last night, and I was karate chopping a bit. Okay, sorry. Alright, jokes aside, although that wasn't a joke. I'm just really trying to amp this up because I'm so excited. Buddy hit me up. I spent, I think, 3,100 American on this watch. He hooked me up big time, and I appreciate it, dude. Alright, let's get into it, man. Our first Rolex unboxing. This is a big moment for the channel, boys. In this oh, actually, sorry, I just saw paid on this thing. I also paid like $78 or something like that for shipping. So that's, it wasn't too big of a loss. Without further ado, boys, Bran's getting into it. Bran's getting his first Rolex. I didn't bring a knife. Without further ado, is that my address? Oh no, I blurred it out. Without further ado, oh, I'm so stoked. Thank you guys so much, man. This is so dope. We got a wrap in there. Thank you so much, buddy. It didn't break, did it? Oh! Oh, what the f***? Hey! You sent me sh**! It's in my car, you dick! Oh, I spent $3,000 on sh**! Alright, I'm sorry guys, I lost my mind a bit there. Luckily, I didn't break. Luckily, the hammer wasn't where I thought it was, and a stick was. So luckily I didn't break this thing, but I damn well was trying to. I'm not crying right now, I'm not a puss. I'm just freaking angry. I don't know why you do that, bro. That sucked. I just, anyway, I checked PayPal just a second ago, and I'll get my money back. I don't think it was friends and family. I haven't called yet. Why, man? Now I'm getting way mad. The only reason I'm putting this up, boys, is like, one, I guess it's content. I don't know. It's some sort of content. Also, two, I have proof that this guy scammed me. When we go through his PayPal, track him back to his address, bro. Or his email. I'm not too sure how that works. I'll have to figure that out with PayPal, although I don't think they're going to let me track him. I'm sorry that was awful. I'm sorry that's not what we expected. I also just finished cleaning out my car, so it's been a little bit now, and I guess coming in here is making me tear up because I'm feeling the same emotion I did when I got act. Sorry, man. I appreciate you guys, but the one guy sucks, and for some reason I keep getting trolled. Well, there's one reason and one reason only. I'm an idiot, and you guys suck. Not all of you, but one of you, and probably quite a few others. F you. Ah! I'm pretty sure I have shit on my shorts. There's sweats. It definitely touched my foot at one point. I appreciate you guys for watching. Well, it is what it is, man. It is what it is, and I'll be fine. It is what it is. I'll get my money back, and it'll be fine. And honestly, I look at these videos sometimes when I freak out the next day, and it's funny again. So I'm already getting over it, I think. I'm already getting over it. I'm going to edit this up and put it out. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. NameBran fam. I don't even know where I threw my tripod in that heat of freaking mad. The storm wave of emotions. Okay, bye. That's why I brought up the tripod thing, because I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, bye. And I definitely woke up my girlfriend too, and I have to answer to that. Bye.